Everyone talking about Bois by commodity, which means wood. The notes in this are pimento berries, pink pepper, Angelica, orchid, freesia, jasmine, Bois de cedar, cedarwood, Australian sandalwood, and vanilla. This is woodsy, floral, and then some energetic spice that kind of lifts the other notes. Like I wouldn't say the spice is front and center, but it's just more like providing that boost for the woods and florals. The flowers here are like really happy and uplifting, and the woods are very standard, I would say. Just kind of like wood, like nothing really that kind of stands out so much in that sense. I think it smells perfectly fine, but not like super memorable or captivating. But if you're big on the florals that are used here, like that are from the notes list, and you like the idea of them being paired with some pretty, straightforward like cedar and sandalwood, might be a good fit for you. Moderate to yeah, just moderate longevity and low to moderate projection, I would say. So definitely nothing too much on those sides. And I would say pretty unisex overall. It's discontinued, but I'll link in the description where you can get the archive set that has the sample of it.